If your car looks like it just survived a mud marathon, you're a prime candidate for SunRay's Car Wash. Welcome to SunRay's Car Wash, where we turn the chore of car washing into a swift, satisfying experience. Busy professionals, we know time is your most valuable asset. That's why SunRay's offers a quick yet thorough clean that gets you back on the road in no time. Our state-of-the-art equipment and eco-friendly products ensure not just a clean car, but a brilliantly polished one, without harming the planet. Picture this. You drive in with a car that's seen better days, and in under 30 minutes you're back behind the wheel of a vehicle that looks and feels showroom fresh. What's more, our friendly staff makes your visit pleasant and hassle-free. So why wait? Give your car the treatment it deserves. Visit SunRay's Car Wash today and keep your ride looking great and performing at its best. Drive in, shine out,